Oh, why I'm still using this 100-year-old shaving technology, yaar?
So why are you so annoyed?
Because ये shaving कम punishment ज़्यादा लगता है.
Then why not switch to an electric shaver?
I don't want dry shave, man.
Arre, do not be so outdated, bro. And with these Braun models, try them.
Oh my God! Now this is life-saving. Oh, welcome to the Groom Guide by Vijay Sales. मेरा नाम है धीरज जुनेजा and today we are talking about something that every guy could use a helping hand with shaving and facial grooming. And for that, हम आ चुके हैं आपके सामने लेकर कुछ super cool wet and dry electric shavers from Braun. But सबसे पहले let's figure out. You want a shaver that adapts to your beard, protect करे आपकी skin को और काम करे shower में भी और on the go, cuts cleanly without pulling. The less fuss, the better. And Braun has used their serious engineering and design chops to create shavers that do just that. सबसे बड़ा सवाल कि पहले किसके साथ शुरू करें, इसके साथ या इसके साथ? BRAUN, तो इसके साथ. Let's start with the Braun Series 9567. ये है Braun का प्रीमियम wet and dry shaver designed for men who want the closest shave with the least effort. It uses the Pro Lift trimmer to lift and cut stubborn, flat lying hair more efficiently. Sonic technology है बॉस इसमें जो ऐड करती है 10,000 micro vibrations per stroke so that the shaver glides more easily and reduces friction. आवाज आ रही है ना आपको? Now there is an AutoSense technology that responds to beard density in real time, giving more power when the hair gets thicker and easing off on lighter areas. The shaving head moves in 10 directions, so it hugs your jawline and chin naturally. Plus. You also get that precision switch, a lock that keeps the head fixed so you can handle tricky areas under the nose or sharp cheek lines with full control. The highlight now, boss. The highlight is, of course, its wet and dry functionality. You can use it wet with gel or foam or dry when you are rushing. Now this adds a level of convenience that is impossible to beat. You know what I also love is that this shaver requires minimal maintenance. It comes with a smart care station that automatically cleans, lubricates and charges it. I mean, this is a powerhouse. All you need to do is replace the cleaning cartridge occasionally. Now there is enough juice in this shaver to run for 60 minutes and it even comes with a 5-minute quick charge function that can give you one full shave. Braun has literally thought of every single eventuality when it comes to this shaver. So if you want a truly premium shaving experience with minimal effort, just pick up the Braun Series 9567 Wet and Dry Shaver. Your face will thank you. देखो यार, अब बारी आती है Braun Series 3310 की, which is all about simple, effective और everyday shaving. इस शेवर में ना एक कमाल का फीचर है जिसको कहते हैं ट्रिपल एक्शन कटिंग सिस्टम विद 3 फ्लोटिंग कटिंग एलिमेंट्स दैट अडैप्ट टू योर फेस एंड हैंडल शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्गर हेयर टुगेदर. The star of this show is the middle trimmer, which does the heavy lifting for longer or flatter hair, so you do not have to keep going over and over the same patch. The 310 is equipped with Braun's Senso Foil, जो प्रोटेक्ट करता है आपकी स्किन को और फिर भी आपको देता है एकदम क्लोज शेव. ये परफेक्ट होता है उन लोगों के लिए जो रेगुलरली शेव करते हैं और जिनकी स्किन शायद बहुत सेंसिटिव है. एंड लाइक द 9 सीरीज ये भी काम करता है वेट एंड ड्राई दोनों कंडीशंस में. अगर आप प्रेफर करते हैं शेविंग जेल इन द शावर और अ क्विक टच अप बिफोर स्टेपिंग आउट, दिस शेवर फिट्स easily into your routine. The entire device now is fully waterproof, which makes cleaning extremely simple. Just rinse करो इसके head को टैप के नीचे and you are good to go. You are set. You are done. You get up to 30 minutes of cordless shaving and a quick 5-minute charge gives enough power for one shave when you are in hurry. The Braun Series 3310 Wet and Dry Shaver एकदम straightforward, tough डिपेंडेबल है, मेकिंग इट परफेक्ट फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, प्रोफेशनल्स और एनीवन अपग्रेडिंग फ्रॉम मैनुअल ब्लेड्स। तो देखो जी, लाइनअप हमारा, लेकिन चॉइस आपकी। तो द ब्रॉन्ज सीरीज 9567 इज योर लग्जरी, अल्ट्रा स्मूथ, high tech shape with cleaning station convenience. On the other hand, the Bronze Series 3310 is your everyday reliable shaver that keeps things simple and comfortable. दोनों मॉडल्स अवेलेबल हैं vijaySales.com पर। सारे लिंक्स प्रोडक्ट्स के दे रखे हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी। ऑल्सो एक और विनती आपसे, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is the Groom Guide by Vijay Sales. बंदे का नाम धीरज जुनेजा, और जल्दी होगी आपसे मुलाकात एक और फन एपिसोड में। Till then, happy shaving.